Hello everybody. Today we are look wiring diagram of combination meter Nissan Qashqai first generation j10. So first I wanna say sorry about my English, but my subscribers wanna to see this video in English language. So I will try as much as possible. So in my opinion, better to start from combination meter. This combination meter has only one connector and all pins marked of this connector here. So pin number one, this is power from the battery throughout fuse 10 amperes, number 8, 12 volts. Pin 3 and 23 together connected to the ground minus. Pin number 2 powered when we turn key to start position throughout power passed throughout fuse number 4, 10 amperes. Pin number 15, this is signal from airbag diagnosis sensor unit. And yes, of course, if combination meter received the signal, it should be illuminate some red man about problem with airbag. Oil level sensor connected to pin 32 and 33. OAT sensor, this is sensor outer air temperature, is connected to pin 20 and 19. Next, steering switch connected to pin 11, depends of which type of what? Of navigation unit do you have? For example, if you have not navigation unit, it will be like this. And if you have navigation unit system, every time ground will be here on pin number 11. Continue. Brake switch connected to pin 26. Brake fluid level switch connected to pin 27. Gearbox, if you see C, it's mean cars with CVT gearbox. If you have CVT, you will have this module connected to pin 39, 40, 38 and 37, and depends which gearbox or not gear, which mode, auto, manual, down, neutral or up is selected. Ground will be coming to these pins. So next, fuel level sensor. Again, wiring diagram will be different, depends of which engines do you have. If you have diesel, it will look like this. And if you have petroleum, it will be look like this in forward wheels, or for full power wheels it will be looks like this. But anyway, it's connected to 24 and 34 pin. If you see pin 31, it's signal to audio unit. So on this picture, combination unit finished, but not finished already. It will be continue at next page. Do you see? And if we come in the next page, it's continue combination meter. What we have, front seat belt indication, pin 36, and front passenger seat belt indication connected to pin 35. But be careful, in this system we have additional connector. It's passed throughout pin 10, and for driver belt passed to pin number 20. Same connector for indication fuel level. Same passed from same connector M11 and Bravo 1 B1. This is one connector, one part of connector call it B1, another part of connector M call it M11. So signal passed from pin 9 and 21 in this connector. So it can be problem, for example. What else? Alternator, yes, connected to pin 25 for indication charged battery or doesn't charge it, for example. And the combination meter connected throughout pin 28 to BCM, body control module. On body control module, this is pin 18. And yes, of course, combination meter has CAN bus. This is pin, there are pin 21 and 22. And CAN bus connected to all another units, for example, IPDM, EPS control unit, intelligent K unit, navigation unit, full 4WD control unit, TCM, ABS, ECM units. It's connected by digital bus and signal going from this bus. So we have additional information. This is schematic of all connectors on this wiring diagram. I will wait few seconds for every page. If you need, you can make screenshot and translate on any language. After that, you can print if you want. So we have all connectors. We can see how it look really, round or rectangular. And we can see all pins, 26, 27. And for example, here, 27, 28, color. W, it's mean white, for example. And we have number of connector, for example, Echo 7, and we have part number of connector. If you have some problem with connector and do you want buy new one, you can find in Google by this part number, enter this part number of connector, but be careful, it will be part number half of connector. If you want another half of connector or both half, you mean you must order both connectors. So for example, explanation, this is for CAN bus. For example, Echo 34, we can find it. It's here. This is connector on ABS module 26 and 15. 26 and 15. Low and high. No, it's color. And explanation. Yes, it's working like this. A small one connector. Another connector. Some big connector for computer. Maybe it's possible to zoom. Wow. Too much. I think it's visible. And last page. This for connectors. And this is last. So this is all about the system. Please like your car, perform maintenance correctly and at time, and everything will be good. So good luck.